website, so you'll be able to print it out so you can make the gluten-free sandwich bread. Okay, I'm excited to start the first recipe.
Okay,
How about you?
What is our first recipe?
For the Korean traditional noodle called the japchae.
And for the Korean traditional noodles japchae, you will need one 12-ounce package Oriental noodles or one 13.5-ounce thin spaghetti noodles. You need one onion sliced, one carrot shredded, 5 green onions cut 1 inch long, 1 cup of spinach cut 1 inch size, 1 cup of walnut gluten or any veggie meat sliced, or 1 cup of sliced mushrooms. You need 6 tablespoons of soy sauce unfermented, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast flakes, half a tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil, and 1.5 tablespoon turbinado sugar.
Okay, very good.
Amen.
Thank you.
Looks all so good here. It smells good. I wish y'all could just smell it from the audience. It smells so good.
And when I say the Oriental noodle, actually this called made from the sweet potato starch, no gluten whatsoever. If you live by the Korean market or Oriental market, you'll be able to find it. But if you can find this one, and finished product I made with this one, but you can also make with the thin spaghetti noodles. So this one you have to cook 6 minutes. And I already cooked, rinsed it, drained just for you.
Amen.
So next one, what I will do, I'm going to go and turn the fire on.
Okay.
Okay.
Most of the Korean foods are all almost gluten-free, aren't they?
Yeah, because most of them will eat a lot of rice.
Amen.
And lots of vegetables. Okay. And if they're not vegetarian, they eat meat. So first, what you need to do, you need to put some oil in the frying pan. Then you will need 1 onion slice. Put in the pan. I already sliced for you. Oh, it's already getting warm.
Getting warm.
Yeah. The next one, you will need 1 carrot. All right.
Carrots are very good for you, right?
Carrot is such a wonderful vegetable that everybody should eat it because it's such good for your eyes and good for your skin, good for your teeth and gum, and
got a lot of vitamins, right?
A lot of vitamins.
And it's wonderful food.
Yeah. Next one, I will go and put some green onions.
Oh wow!
I cut it in 1 inch long. Okay, and you're gonna put some, about 1 cup spinach. You need to kind of slice it. And spinach is very high in calcium and iron. So when you are low in iron, so maybe eat some lighter spinach.
It's also good for cataracts?
Yeah,
wow,
it sure does.
Doesn't that look good?
Oh, okay. What are the Korean traditional way, we usually put the meat, especially beef. So what I will do, I'm going to go ahead and put, this is the walnut gluten. And you need to slice it, which is from my recipe. But if you have any favorite meat recipe, vegetarian meat recipes, you can go ahead and put it in there. So I'm going to just show you how to just slice and very thin if you can. And this vegetable, this walnut gluten is really, really delicious.
Really good.
Yeah.
A lot of people ask you, where can you buy this walnut gluten? But you can't buy it, you got to make it, friend.
Okay. Can I have that, no, I would like to have this, this is like a garlic.
Garlic powder?
You need to put the garlic. That's it. Then after that, what you need to do, you need to stir fry until they're slightly cooked. You don't want to cook completely, but you just need to cook until onions like nicely clear.
That was good, huh?
Smell is really, really good. I wish you are in our kitchen, you can smell it.
Amen.
You might want to taste it. This is a very famous dishes. Any wedding, any birthday party, you will be able to find this noodle called japchae.
I think one of the camera operator, she loves this.
Tammy, she loves the japchae. She told me that she loves
all
all
Korean food.
Korean food.
Even Gio Morricone.
Oh, she loves Korean dishes too, yeah.
Amen.
Me too. I
Amen.
love Korean food. Okay, from here, how simple it is.
Yes.
Then I am going to wear sanitation glove. I'm going to just put this up, yeah.
Yeah, don't want to mess up your pretty outfit here, huh?
So it's easy to wash, honey.
Okay.
Then what you need to do, you need to put pasta or, okay, if you're allergic to gluten, you can use rice pasta.
Uh-huh.
And you don't have to use the walnut gluten, but you can use like any kind of mushroom, and that will work just fine.
Wow.
And then it will be gluten-free recipe for you.
Okay.
Then you just dump it all here. Okay. Okay, let's take it all out. This is pretty hot, so at home maybe you should let it set until kind of warm, and then you can cook this one. Then what I will do, I need a 6 tablespoons unfermented soy sauce. And I already put there. The next one is nutrition yeast flakes. Okay, and then onions, onion powder, and sesame seeds.
Sesame seeds.
Sesame seeds
Very
very high in calcium and very high in fiber. And then I'm going to put some turbinado sugar, which is kind of raw sugar form. Then this is a sesame oil. You gotta have a sesame oil for the Korean dishes.
It brings out the flavor, or
Flavor, and it smells good.
Yes.
And then be brave like me. They're kind of still hot.
Oh, yes.
And mix it thoroughly. And then you can serve it cold, or you can serve warm. If you like to eat warm, all you need to do, put some 2 tablespoons more of sesame seed oil.
Mm-hmm.
Then you can just heat it up. But in Korea, we eat all day long when we go to party. Just they're cold and they're very, very delicious.
All right.
So we have finished products we can show to you.